Hi, this is Randy Bacon. Hey, I'd like to personally invite you to a real estate event we're having tonight for newer real estate agents. We realize in this market that things are changing and there's a lot coming at newer agents. And we want to be able to help you answer your questions and maybe give you some guidance on how to pick and select a business model that's going to work for you long term and be sustainable. This isn't about a brokerage, this is about you and your business. So there will be four of us presenting, two real estate agents, myself, Melissa Spino, with years of real estate experience. We'll share with you what we wish we would have known when we got started in this business, what it takes to be able to build a sustainable business, and some ideas based on your personality on the different niches and what might fit you. So we'll be there to also answer your questions. We also have a mortgage broker, Connie Crace with Cardinal Financial, that will kind of share with you about getting your agents pre-qualified and the whole process of getting a loan and getting them to closing successfully, as well as Kim Christensen with WFG Escrow that will explain the process of once you bring somebody, a buyer or seller to escrow, how that process works and how you come to closing. So there'll be four of us that really want to be able to help you as a newer agent that has questions and hopefully give you some guidance. Our goal is to help you build a sustainable long-term business. So we hope to see you. I know this is last notice or late notice, and I have some contact information. If you can't make it, reach out to me. We're going to have more of these, and I'd be happy just to even jump on a Zoom and maybe answer some questions or be able to help you in whatever it is that you're looking for to build your real estate business. So again, this is not broker specific. This is just us trying to give back to agents that are new to this industry, and hopefully we can help you. So I hope to see you tonight. If not, reach out to me and we'll talk soon.